Hello, today we will guide you through how to understand and use tickets in HubSpot CRM. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on how to access the tickets area in HubSpot and begin creating a new ticket. Tickets are useful for tracking customer issues, support requests, or any service-related task that needs to be monitored from start to finish. If your team handles follow-ups, troubleshooting, or ongoing requests, this feature can help keep everything organized in one place. To begin, open HubSpot and go to the home page. This is your main starting point and gives you access to the tools and workspaces available in your account. Once you're there, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From the left navigation, click on CRM. This section contains the core records and relationship tools inside HubSpot, such as contacts, companies, deals, and of course, tickets. Selecting CRM opens up the options you need for managing customer-related information more efficiently. Next, click on Tickets. This will take you into the Tickets workspace, where you can view existing ticket records and manage service activity. If you're new to this section, it may appear as a list view showing current tickets, along with filters and actions across the top. This area is designed to help you quickly review open issues and keep track of progress. Once you are on the Tickets page, move to the top right corner and click Add Tickets. This is where you begin the process of adding a new ticket record. If you do not immediately see the option, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct tickets view. After that, click Create New. This tells HubSpot that you want to start a brand new ticket rather than import or connect an existing one. At this point, a Former Setup panel should appear, allowing you to enter the relevant details for the ticket. From here, follow your on-screen procedure. The exact fields or prompts may vary depending on how your HubSpot account has been configured, but typically you'll be asked to enter key information related to the issue or request. As you complete the setup, make sure the details are accurate and clear, since that will make it easier for your team to review, assign, and resolve the ticket later. Once everything is entered, review the information before saving. Taking an extra moment to check your entries can help prevent confusion and reduce the need for edits afterward. That's it. You now know how to access and start using tickets in HubSpot CRM.